Welcome guys, in this video I will write the Python program for the 15th exercise of chapter 8. This is the Caesar Cipher program. A Caesar cipher is a simply way of encrypting a message by replacing each letter with a letter a certain number of spaces of the alphabet. For example, if shifting the message by 13, an A would become an N while an S would wrap around to start of the alphabet to become an F. Write a program that asks the user for a message that will be a string and a shift amount that will be an integer. The value should be passed to a function that accepts a string and an integer as an argument and returns a string representing the original string encrypted by shifting the letters by the integer. For example, a string B where the ids of Mark and an integer of 13 should result in string as given below. Let's write the program. So define a function Caesar cipher that takes a message and a shift amount as an input. Def Caesar cipher and give this two parameters message comma shift. Shift is an integer value, and in this function initialize an empty string to store the encrypted message. So create a string variable encrypted message and set this equal empty string. After this, iterate through each character in the input message for characters in message and check if the character is an alphabetic letter. If char dot is alpha, then perform specific operations, and if char is not alphabetic character, then in else clause set the encrypted message plus equal char. Now come to the if. If char is alpha, then determine whether the character is uppercase or lowercase alphabetic character. So here create nested if condition. If char dot is upper, if char dot is upper, create a variable alphabet and set this equal string containing the alphabets of English in uppercase. And if the character is not uppercase, then set alphabet equal alphabets of English in small letters. After this, find the index of the character in the alphabet. So here create a variable char index, that is for character index, and set this equal alphabet dot find. This find method return the index of the character in a string. After this, shift the index by the specified amount. So create another variable shift index and set this equal alphabet dot find. Sorry, set this equal character index plus shift. Mod 26. This is for if we enter the shift amount and shift, then the index cross to the 26, it will trap to the start. After this, get the shifted character from the alphabet. So create a variable shifted character and set this equal alphabet at the shifted index. Now add the shifted character to the encrypted message. So set encrypted message plus equal shifted character. And at last, in this function, return the encrypted message. There is a spelling mistake in encrypted message. Now after the function, get user input for the Caesar Cipher function, create a variable user message and set this equal input, enter a message. Also prompt for shift mount, int input, enter the shift mount, and at last display the encrypted message, print. First, set encrypted message equal the encrypted message returned by the Caesar cipher function. Give this two argument, user message and the shift amount. Now display the results, print encrypted message, the message stored in the encrypted message variable. Let's run the program. Enter a message. Let enter how are you. Enter the shift amount. Enter 1. Encrypted message is displayed. You can see I enter the shift amount 1. If we shift the H by 1, then the next alphabet is I. Similarly for O, the next alphabet is P, W, X, and in R, the next alphabet for A is B, and so on. You can run and enter the other shift amount. This time enter the name, enter the shift amount, and encrypted message is displayed. If we shift 5 for the A, then the letter will come B, C, D, E, F. So F is displayed, program is working fine.